Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. So today I decided to stand up, make a quick slushie for you. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's basically coffee, chocolate, and like espresso martini, but like in a slushie form. So to do that, what I've done, I've already brewed an espresso shot, pour that in, and I'm not gonna measure anything. So I'm just gonna go by my gut. Then you'll need vodka. Like, I'm gonna add a bit of vodka for that perfect boozy feel. I'm gonna add a bit of Irish cream. You can add Kahlúa, like a coffee liquor, whatever you prefer more. I haven't got one, so I just added Irish cream. And then last night, I was watching a movie and I opened this box of chocolate and I thought, why not use these heart-shaped one in my espresso? I think 2 would do. And lastly, you'll need some ice. Perfect. Smells so nice. So nice. Let's go. Ooh. It's gone. I think that would do. Got it here. Now we need to blend it. Put it there. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. And open it up. Give it a smell. It smells delicious already. Get your glass. I'm feeling a bit fancy today. And pour your mix in. Ta-da! Easy, quick slushie for you. Let's give it a taste. Oh my god, it's delicious. You must give it a try. I would like to add a bit more chocolate next time. Maybe add a couple more, but it'll do for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Obviously, we're the Tipsy Duo. I'm gonna come back with more cocktails and mocktails for you. Bye for now. Actually, not quite for now. I just thought of, after I took a sip of it, which was delicious, I thought, why not, instead of adding more chocolate, add some cocoa powder on top. I think that's too much, but there you go. Ooh. Oops, much better. And I forgot my espresso martini garnish the other time. 1, 2. Ooh, that one's gone. 3. Now we give another taste. Cheers. Much better. Don't forget the cocoa powder on top. But yes, sometimes that happens. I forgot my garnishes and I thought of my cocoa powder to make use of. It's been sitting in my cupboard for years, for many years. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. I said those already. Bye. I'm gonna go and enjoy this now.